In the first example, we have operations subtraction, multiplication, subtraction, and division. Because I have subtraction inside of the parentheses, I'm supposed to perform this operation first. Because the operation is inside of the parentheses, we're supposed to do first. So we have 10 minus 8. 11 minus 9 is equal to, and I have divide by 4. Next, copy down 10 because I have multiplication and division. Multiplication and division are equally important, so we can perform these operations from left side to the right side of my problem. So I have minus 8 times 2 is equal 16. I'm doing everything step by step, divide by 4. I have 10 minus, now I can perform the division. 16 divided by 4 is equal 4. 10 minus 4 is equal 6. And this is the solution to my problem. Let's take a look at the second problem. This time we have operations subtraction, multiplication, addition, and division. We're supposed to perform multiplication and division first. So, copy down 725 minus 8 times 12 is 96. Plus 40 divided by 8 is equal 5. Next, please realize that subtraction and addition are equally important. So we're supposed to perform the operations from left side to right side. I have 725 minus 96. This is 725 minus 96. I cannot subtract 6 from 5, that's why I'm going to borrow 1 from here. This 1 becomes 10 over this column. So I have 15 minus 6 is equal 9. I have 1 left. Borrow 1 from 7. That 1 becomes 10 over the second column, and I'm going to have 11 minus 9 is equal 2. And because I borrow 1 from 7, I'm going to have 6. So 725 minus 96 is equal 629 plus 5. 629 plus 5 is equal 634. And this is the solution to my second problem.